let me tell y'all something about Florida boys, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I don't think y'all really understand about, you know what I'm saying, why we do the things we do. Why do I act the way I act? Why am I so ignorant, but at the same time, loving and caring? You feel me? I ain't have nothing growing up, you know? So, with that being said, man, whoop whoop. Troll. Top that helmet, boy.
Hey, I ain't rich, but I ain't broke. Feel like I'm in the middle.
What's going on, OG? How you feeling? I'm alright, man. You know, just hanging in there, man.
Soon shit gon' left, my niggas got right to get up with them. They on they page like a fan just to keep up with them. For the bad nuke like with a twin, rock a creeper with them. Leave him sleeping with them, send him to the reaper with them. And that's my cousin, I'm my friend.
What up, man? How you feeling, G? Everything alright with you? Yes, sir. What you doing today, man?
Left a nigga wide open. There's a lot of shit we want, we just gotta try. One of them not reaching for my chain, that's how you can die. Yo, mama ain't cried in so long, that's when she'll cry. We gon' leave steam coming out your hoes like yo.
They wanna see me go back to my old ways. All I need is family, I'll be okay. I've been hustling for a while now. I'ma keep that shit a Thow Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma keep that shit a Thow Wow.
Well, I guess we're gonna make a video now. How crazy is that? But yeah, the rain coming from that way.
Yeah, that way, huh?
So we gotta get that way.
That way, huh?
As fast as we can. As y'all can see, my bike already wet. So we're gonna move it. Man, I just lost all that footage. But yeah, man, my boy was on, Blake was on a 1200 Sportster, and that thing was fast. I ain't gonna lie, it was quick. That thing get up quick, man. So now, you know, I'm back. I don't even know what y'all got, so I'm gonna just start this thing over like it's a whole new video. So listen, man. You know, I want to say thank you to God first before we do anything, because without God, man, ain't none of this possible, man. But check out what I did. I don't know if y'all can see that, but man, that thing say 1 Thow Wow now. Yes, sir. You know what time it is, man. But yeah, we're gonna head this way quick as we can. Get away from this rain cloud. You know, man, Blake, bro, if you watching this video, please don't be mad at me, bro. I don't know how that happened, but that's all me, bro. I am probably the worst YouTuber in the nation of YouTubers, bro. I do like some of the most stupidest stuff, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. It's like, it's stuff that you would think is simple, that when you doing YouTube, bro, it's so not simple. Like, I'm talking about like the smallest stuff, bro. Like just then, I just lost a whole video because I pressed record twice. So I thought that I wasn't recording, and I pressed record again and ended the recording. And I don't even think I pressed it. I think the what's the name hit it. My chest hit it. Ooh. What's going on, man? I like the ride, man. Yes, sir. Hey, you take it to the track? Not yet. Yes, sir. Be safe. That's a demon. Yeah, you might well get out of his way. Let OG do his thing in the demon. I ain't never seen one of those in person. Y'all. He said, not yet, man. That's just one of them old people right there with money, man. They don't even got nothing to do with it, man. He said, not yet, man. What you need a demon for, bro? You going 40 miles, 50 miles an hour, bro. You don't need that demon, bro. Give it up, man. Let somebody else who's gonna do something with it have that, man. But nah, though, I ain't gonna lie, y'all do need to get up out my way. You order Honda, One of y'all, please get out my way. Alright, bro. The demon was nice. Now you making that bit look like a turtle shell. Yeah, let me just get past you, Brody. Ask you out like, oh yeah, what you doing, little dog? But yeah, man, back to what I was saying. Like, with this YouTube thing, bro, I just lost a whole video of recording just because I don't know if I hit the button or if I just hit the camera on my chin, on my chest. And I think I lost a whole video just by doing that. So, you know, this thing harder than it look, man. Way, way harder than it look. For real, for real. But, you know, trial and error, trial and error, trial and error. We're going to get it right. Keep trying till we get it right, man. Blake, bro, if you're watching this video, bro, I'm so sorry, my man. We just did 30 minutes of riding for nothing. Well, not for nothing, you know. I got to learn something. Them Harleys quicker than they look. But yeah, man.
Broken promises. I know I said what I said, and it lit what it lit, and I'm sorry for that. I can give you game for free, or I can charge you for that. And I'm running through the street like it's a charge in my bag. Bitch, you know I'm dope, yeah, I go harder than crack. I was posted at that store out for them boys, cause they're a jack. I know my squad was gonna attack, and I pray I leave these streets, these niggas fraud, these niggas ass. Okay, I never broke your heart, and I know I stayed.
Alright, man, I'm just about to start. I'm finna start messing with people, man. I feel like it's my duty to give y'all something. So we gonna just mess with people in traffic today. Yes, sir, Ski. Yes, sir. Oh, I gotta go, I gotta go. Oh yeah, come on, come on. Can-Am tricycle. Thing look nice. What's up, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright, man. How you doing?
Good.
Hey, where you headed, man?
That way.
Yeah. We were going that way, but then it started raining, so now we're going that way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You going with a group?
I was. We split up when the rain came. Be safe, man.
Yeah, you too.
Yes, sir. Huh?
Said avoid the rain.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
By any means necessary. Man, we was just sliding earlier too, y'all. I know y'all mad, bro, cause we was sliding. I'm talking. See, well, y'all ain't mad cause y'all ain't see it, bro. We was just going. I went a whole 90p for y'all, man. Little 90p. You know, it's nothing, but it's a little something. But yeah, they tell you we're going that way. Yeah, no doubt, Sherlock. Let me tell y'all something about Florida boys, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't think y'all really understand about, you know what I'm saying, why we do the things we do. Why do I act the way I act? Why am I so ignorant, but at the same time, loving and caring, you feel me? Because I came from nothing, you feel me? I come from nothing. I ain't have nothing growing up, you know? So, with that being said, man, whoop whoop. Troll. Top that helmet, boy. But yeah, with that being said, man, when you ain't got nothing, man, and you come up from nothing, bro, you really just excited about little things, you know what I'm saying? So like, with me just having this bike, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm just grateful, you know what I'm saying? Like, honestly, man, and that's just what it is, bro. So when we act the way we act, it ain't that we trying to show off or we trying to be this and that, man. A nigga just happy, bro. I come from nothing, bro. Real talk, man. So anything I get for myself, man, I'm excited about it, bro. And I show off my excitement might be different from how you show your excitement. You feel me? I dance, I sing, I rap, man, I have fun, man. Now you might be excited and just don't show it. You might just be chilling. You know what I'm saying? That's you. But you know, that's just one thing I wanted to let y'all know, man. That's Florida boy, man, mentality, man. When we geek, man, we gonna be out there, we in your face with it, we showing it, man. We that's just us, bro. No harm by it. Florida boy shit, man. You know, I already know it, man. Yeah, Sirski. Shoot your shot, your shot. Come on. You good, G? Shit, I want to mess with you anyway. I'm finna fuck with you, G. What's going on, OG?
Man, I didn't see you.
How you feeling?
Good, man. How you doing, man?
I'm alright, man. You know, just hanging in there, man. Where you going today?
To work. Damn,
Going
it's
on-
1,000?
Yes, sir. 1,000 wow, man. Yeah.
Making it smaller and smaller.
Exactly, man. It's so light when I go high speeds, I feel everything. It feel like the wind about to blow me out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I've been riding for 20-some years.
20-some years?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of bike you got?
I don't have one at all right now.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, that's a good thing, man. It's dangerous to ride right now, man.
I know, man.
Yeah.
When I rode, man, I probably at least 15 times almost got killed. You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I think now that 15 will be every time you get on the bike, you almost get killed.
Best advice I can give you, leave yourself space.
Yeah.
Always leave yourself a way out. When you're pulling up behind cars like right now.
Yeah.
Fucking, man, I've seen them get squished right in between them.
Yeah.
Leave yourself a way out every time. And then, you know, the only thing you can do if somebody ever pulls out in front of you is jump from the pegs to the seat and make it up and over the car.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, man. I got it.
All right, man. Appreciate that. Be safe, man. Yes, sir. They got a Biden, what's the name going on today? Look, they got me in the middle. Oh man, Oreo in the middle. Oreo in the middle. Quick little 90p, you know, nothing. Quick little 90p, man. Just for y'all, man, cause you know, it wasn't really much on this video today. We just been vibing, sliding, chilling, killing time. We down the hill with it. Another quick little 90p. I'm just trying to make it home. Yeah, he's sliding. Whoever grandpa that is, he's sliding. Oh yeah! Nice little Honda piece. I'm so dirty with it, man. I just hit him with the peace sign before I left. I'm Tariq though. Hey. What up, man?
What up, bro?
How you feeling, G?
Good. How you doing?
Everything all right with you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What you doing today, man?
Not just going to pick up my kids.
Yes, sir, man. I like the car, man. It look clean in there, man.
Yeah, we got a little camera.
Yeah. YouTube, man.
Take it easy.
Yes, sir. Be safe, my boy. Man, that man looked like he was about to go to sleep right there, man. I'm just fucking with everybody I run into. She beating her face down. Oh, yeah. Beat it up, mama. Hey, boy, she's beating her shit down. Ooh, I love it. That bitch stupid and he know it. Oh yeah, that bitch so stupid. Hey bro, I need to borrow the truck, man. Bet that up. Alright, bet. Hey, we can swap. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, man, that thing nice. Yes, sir. Be safe, man. Listen to it, man. That thing got a turbo in it. Hey. I don't know who y'all voting for, but fuck it. I don't know who y'all voting for, but we gonna have some fun. Hey. But listen, man, if y'all know me, man, y'all know it's your boy, Mr. Thow Wow, man. We gonna rock this video up, man. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't really much today, but you know, we got some content out there for y'all, you know what I'm saying? That shit was ugly. Hey, but yeah, man, look, Mr. Thow Wow, man, look, I'm signing off. If you know son, then you know son. Holla. Peace. Yes, sir.
Hey, my auntie told me I worry her. I told her nephew a warrior. Phone him a quick deal corridor. That 40 take you out your glory. I'm naming it Gloria. This perky just gave me euphoria. I ain't lost at a nigga.